Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website, www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, and a tarot and oracle card reader. So for this particular video, let's have your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of September. This is for my dear Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest to generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. I got there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. You just need your date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Gemini as your rising/ascendant sign, then this is your reading. Kasi based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, my dear Gemini, I already pre-pulled yung cards nyo. So, apart from the first 6 zodiac sign reading na I'm shuffling live, nag-pull cards na lang ako for the rest of the 6 zodiac signs na hindi ko na-fulfill. So, for this reading, let's get to know muna yung angel number that you had been seeing recently. As a confirmation of this reading, Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Gemini. So, we have 5, 4, 5, and 11. So kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 5452. I'm going to make this as a 2. Might be there is a certain message for you there that needs your attention, my dear Gemini. You might be seeing a lot of 55, 555, 44, 444, then 11, 111, 11, as a certain confirmation. And also I have here 6, 66 and 666 as a confirmation of this particular reading. You might be seeing a lot of those certain angel number recently. So remember, the reason why you are seeing angel number, it's a certain reminder to keep a positive mindset, or it's a certain confirmation that you are on the right path. So, the overall energy ng month of September mo, my dear Gemini, will be focused on the 8th house. Based on astrology, the 8th house is, this is the transformational area of your life. It's about shared resources and intense emotion. So, for others of you, yung mga naging changes that you had, you will be encountering certain intense emotions such as grievance.
Battery level 90%.
You will be losing somebody. Kasi alam naman natin, when we lose something, regardless kung material things ito, kumbaga parang financial situation or people around us, sometimes the reason why we lose them ay meron kapalit na certain things that is coming our way. Kasi, di ba, we have meant for the full moon that when before we start new things in our reality, we need to release and let go of certain things, people, situation, opportunity that is no longer part of our highest good. So for this particular month, you will be encountering certain transformation na it will be requiring you to lose certain things. So might be you encountered losses when it comes to your financial situation, or for others of you, you will be winning. Yun naman yung other way around. So for this month, you will be having transformation when it comes to your financial situation, lalo na when it comes to your shared resources. For those who are married, maaring you will be having an increase ng inyong financial situation. Or for those who are encountering legal battles such as divorce or separation, probably you will be winning over regarding that certain legal cases, and probably based on the certain terms, you will be gaining the shared assets coming from your partner. So then again, transformation, for you to welcome change, the change that you want should start within you. Changing the way that you think, changing the way that you see things, and changing the way that you handle the situation. Kasi might be currently, my dear Gemini, you are juggling you are trying to balance out things in your reality so that everything will be perfect and everything will be going into your favor. To the extent na nagiging imbalance ka kasi you had been giving all of your time, love, effort, energy to everyone around you other than yourself. So you give too much. And yung reciprocation na nakukuha mo doon is not fair or it's not fairly reciprocated. So kung work niyan, you are not fairly compensated. You are giving all of your energy in your work, in your career, in your business at hindi ka nakakakita ng returns from that certain efforts. And might be you are burdened. You had been carrying a lot of burdens on trying to balance out things in your life. So you feel like you need to prove something when it comes to your career, your finances, and your business. And you are carrying a heavy weight on your certain shoulder. So it's time for you to let go of certain things that is no longer serving your highest good. As I've said, for you to welcome change, the change that you want should start within you. Changing the way that you think, changing the way that you see things, and changing the way that you handle the situation. So it's not your obligation to prove anything to anyone. Kaya tuloy, you are burdened kasi you feel the need to prove something. Kasi nga, you're acting out of fear. Fear of the unknown, fear of failure, fear of not being good enough, not being capable enough. So the energy that you are needing to release also is release the fear, doubts, and anxieties. Kasi that becomes your reality. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. So, kung ano yung pinagtutuunan mo ng pansin, if you're focusing on the fear, doubts, and anxieties, not good enough, not being capable enough, that becomes your reality. So, it's time for you to release, let go of this certain things that is no longer serving your highest good. And it's time for you to be mindful of what you think, what you imagine, what you visualize, and what you speak. Kasi that becomes your reality. Kasi for others of you, you are having sleepless nights and anxiety kasi you worry too much of the things that you cannot control. So this is the time for you to let go of trying to know the when and the how. Focus on the why. Why is everything happening? What is the lesson that you needed to learn from those certain obstacles, challenges, relationship that you had encountered? So that is the current energy, obstacles, and action to be taken, my dear Gemini. Let's proceed on your career, your business life, your work life. What is your current energy? What is your current energy? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. What is the current energy of your work life, business life? So your current energy, you are, kumaga parang, you are standing on business. So you are, kumbaga parang standing your ground. So even though you don't see things clearly as of the moment, you are trying to hold on for dear life. So might be you are wanting to give up kasi nga you had been giving too much and you are not seeing the reciprocation of the efforts that you had been giving or putting in a certain situation. So you are in the verge of giving up. Naka-stand ground ka pero you are already wounded. Kumbaga parang you are already drained. So you are holding to dear life here na kumbaga parang you are wanting to see the silver lining of the certain situation. And for some of you, this is a time for you to create those certain boundaries. Learn to say no. Learn to put yourself first. Kasi nga, you had been overgiving to other people around you to the extent na ikaw na yung nauubos. So this is the time for you to stand your ground, set boundaries, learn to say no. What will be the outcome in the near future for your career, your finances, your business life? What will be the outcome? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what will be the outcome? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what will be the outcome for your career, business life, work life? What will be the outcome? So the outcome is we have here Eight of Swords. So it's time for you to remove the limitation that you're imposing yourself. Kasi nga dahil you are giving too much to other people to the extent na ikaw yung nauubos, you're holding yourself back. Probably tinitipid mo yung sarili mo kasi nga you are wanting, kumaga parang, ano ba to? Gusto mong magkaroon ng sapat. Kasi you fear that if you will not be able to give to other people, give to the circumstances, kumaga mawawala sa iyo opportunity. So this is a time for you to release, let go of those certain things, situation that is no longer serving your highest good. Remove the limitation na hanggang doon lang yung capacity mo as a certain individual, my dear Gemini. You are the creator of your reality. So kung ano man yung sinasabi mo sa utak mo, what you're thinking, what you're imagining, and what you're visualizing, that becomes your reality. So it's time for you to remove the limitation that you're imposing yourself. Clarify natin. So, be confident of yourself with the 9 of Pentacles. Ikaw dapat ang unang maniwala at magtiwala sa sarili mo. You need to be confident, stable, and secure within yourself. Know your worth, know your value, know your capability as a certain individual. Don't let other people hold you down. Don't let other people's perspective or judgment, kumbaga parang take over you. Ikaw dapat ang unang maniwala at magtiwala sa sarili mo. Kasi nga, the way that you are giving too much to your career, your business, your work life, kasi nga you fear. You fear the fear of not being able to be good enough. Kaya the way that you are giving too much, you are relying on them as a validation or as a confirmation of your value and your worth as a certain individual. Dapat ikaw yung unang maniwala at magtiwala sa sarili mo, my dear Gemini. So, what is your current energy when it comes to your relationship? When we say relationship, it regardless if you are single, if you are in a certain connection, relationship, marriage, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, so it doesn't matter. Kasi when we say readings, it's based on energy. So, it regardless kung single ka or you are in a certain connection, it will not be depending on that. So, what is the energies of your relationship? Wherein your first relationship is with you, my dear Gemini. What is your current energy when it comes to your relationship? Current energy for my dear Gemini's relationship. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. Current energy. Current energy. Your current energy is the Ace of Pentacles. When we say the Ace of Pentacles, you are wanting to provide stability and security with other people, to other people. Maaring you're the one who's going to give that commitment or you are waiting for this certain commitment. So for you to be able to have a healthy, loving, committed relationship with other people, you need to have that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. So kung ano man yung dadating sa relationship ninyo, if you're waiting for reconciliation, if you're waiting for the one, for those who are single, having a relationship and having that person or partner, it's only an additional. You had to be whole and complete within yourself. It's time for you to focus on your stability and your security. Kasi we have here the 9 and the 1, so it becomes 10. So kailangan mong buuin yung sarili mo, work on yourself to be the best version of yourself so that when that certain relationship come, when that certain reconciliation come, when that certain opportunity come, it's only an additional in your life. It's not the basis of your value and your worth as a certain individual. So currently, you are wanting to build yourself or you are focusing on yourself, or for others of you, you are wanting to give this certain opportunity, this certain relationship to other people kasi you feel not worthy, not good enough. So, kaya you are relying on that certain connection or relationship for validation of your worth and your value. So, what will be the outcome of your relationship, my dear Gemini? What will be the outcome of your relationship? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the answer. What is the outcome of your relationship? What is the outcome? So, we have here the 6 of Pentacles. There would be reciprocation. There would be balance. So, before you receive this certain commitment, confession, relationship, you need to give to yourself first. Kasi you're the one who's going to set the bars, the standards on how you're going to receive it from other people around you, not the other way around. So, kung gusto mong mahalin ka, respetuhin ka, pahalagahan ka, at pasiyahin ka, you wanted to be loved, cared, valued, respected, you need to love, care, value, respect yourself first. Because whatever you're going to receive from other people, from that relationship, it's only an additional. And kung makikita nyo yung ring dito, for you to be in a healthy, loving, committed relationship, it's not only the relationship with other people yung i-establish natin. Hindi lang yun yung kailangan natin i-create, but also the first relationship that we needed to establish is the relationship that we have with ourselves. Kasi if you are telling yourself that you are not worthy, that you are not good enough, that you are not capable enough, you will be relying on other people for validation of your worth and your value as a certain individual. So, feeling mo walang nagmamahal sa'yo, feeling mo no one care for you, kasi that becomes your reality. Kasi that's how you are treating yourself. You are relying on other people for validation of your worth and your value. So, what is the oracle guidance for you, my dear Gemini? What is the oracle guidance? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, oracle guidance for my dear Gemini, please. So, the oracle guidance we have here, whoa. So, we have here, Cernunnos, Life Force, express your driving passion, sensual and sexual powers are increased. So, it's time for you to bring that spark to yourself. So, other than waiting for things to happen, it's time for you to make things happen by working on yourself to be the best version of yourself. So, instead of trying to look for happiness on the external fulfillment by having a relationship and having a partner, it's time for you to focus on you, eyes on you. Learn to be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have, my dear Gemini. So, what is the other oracle guidance? And we have here, trusting the universe, trusting heaven, Archangel Michael. You're safe. Angels, stand close, surrender your concern, and allow a miracle to occur. So it's time for you to surrender, trust the universe, trust the process on how things are unfolding in your life. And for some of you, kasi the reason why you are wanting to do this and to do that and to control the situation so that maging okay yung outcome. So, the more that you are doing that, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. And the reason why you are acting in this certain energy, kasi you are fear of the unknown, fear of the unfamiliar outcome. Kaya you are wanting to control the situation. So, let's see what is the messages coming from your spirit guides, your animal guides, angel, spirit, universe, ancestors. What are the messages for you, my dear Gemini? Angel, spirit, universe, ancestors, can you give me the messages? So we have here seagull. So now is the time for deep emotional healing. So again, for you to welcome change, the change that you want should start within you. So it's time for you to address, where is this fear coming from? Saan nagmumula itong fear na ito? So, is it fear that had rooted or came from childhood experiences? So, it's time for you to address them. Kasi hanggat hindi mo ina-address itong fear na ito, it will be manifesting all the time in your reality. Kasi you will be getting triggered by certain situation that might be kumaga regarding this certain fear. So, it's time for you to address what are the certain things that you needed to heal from, my dear Gemini. So we have here mountain goat. There's something out of balance in your life. So do whatever you need to do what to do to correct it. So again, we have here the Two of Pentacles. You are imbalanced kasi you are giving too much of your time, love, energy, effort to everyone else other than yourself. The way that you are prioritizing other people, putting them first, is the way that you are teaching them how to do it to others but not to you. And also, you're telling the universe that you don't value yourself, that you are not worthy, that you are not good enough. Kaya you tend to focus your energy, your time, your love, your attention to other people other than yourself. So, again, the way that you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. Then we have here your angel message. We have here 30. You are an original, innovative thinker and an excellent communicator. You have a great talent for using creativity to convey your ideas, and your optimistic attitude has an uplifting effect on others. I am imaginative, as I've said. So instead of focusing on things that you cannot control, so it's time for you to channel that certain energy sa sarili mo. Work on yourself to be the best version of yourself. Learn a new skill, learn a new talent. Harness what talent that you have. So cultivate that. So instead of focusing your energy or wasting your energy in certain things that it's not aligned to your highest good, it's time for you to focus your energy on you by cultivating your talents, your skills. Let's see what is your affirmation. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, who affirmation for my dear Gemini, please. So, affirmation, we have, I am expanding into my highest potential and becoming all I am destined to be. So, again, you're the creator of your reality. It's time for you to visualize, imagine what you wanted to manifest into your reality. It's time for you to take accountability, take responsibility of your own life. Don't rely on other people or circumstances for your value and your worth as a certain individual. Kasi you have the highest potential. You just need to realize it for yourself. So this is what I got for you, my dear Gemini. If this happened to resonate with your situation or your current energy, so do give me a comment, like, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. So if you wanted to avail my services, tarot reading, and wanting to join my coaching program, kindly go to the description section. I got there the instruction on how to avail my services, or kindly go to my website www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye!